Hey grillers, it's Callum with the Canadian BBQ Boys here. Today we're going to show you how to fix a common issue with Weber Genesis 2 grills. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. In these cases, the barbecue is still flowing properly in terms of gas, and there is a bit of a spark when you press the ignition button, but it's still not working. So let's take a closer look. While keeping everything inside of the barbecue to reduce the mess, I'm going to put my flavor bars on my stacked grates. Now we can take a better look inside. As we can see here, this white electrode that provides our spark is out of place, as it's not securely located within its metal clamps, and thus not allowing our grill to properly ignite. This happens every so often whenever your barbecue has been jostled around, but it is nothing to fear. Now, we need to correct this issue and place our electrodes back into the proper spot. When completed, each electrode should be firmly in place, with this bump on the side of the body secured tightly inside the metal clamps. All we're going to do here is carefully hold down and position the head of the electrode with one hand, and then use our flathead screwdriver here to apply an adequate amount of pressure to click the body back into place. Once finished, you will see how the electrode is now securely fastened and the circuit is once again completed. Now we can do one final test before placing all of our internal components back into place. And it works. Problem solved. As you can see, it's quite an easy fix for a very common issue. That's all for today. I'm Callum with the Canadian BBQ Boys, and have a great grilling season.